Aging manpower is becoming a problem not only in Nigeria but in the global air transport system, and it is feared that there may not be enough pilots, aircraft engineers and other professionals to cater for the needs of the projected increase in airlines in the world. Lillian Azamak reports.
Statistics from aircraft manufacturers Boeing show that by 2026, aviation industry will need additional 350,000 new pilots, 480,000 technicians, and 39,620 new planes. The new aircraft are expected to be commanded by qualified pilots, maintained by skilled technicians, and managed by competent air traffic controllers. But the current reality suggests that there may not be adequate workforce to drive the projected growth. Nigeria is already grappling with the challenge of lack of succession plan in the sector. Experts listed the factors responsible to include retirement, insufficient training of candidates to meet employers' demands, competition with other sectors for skilled employees, lack of accessibility to affordable training, among others.
Death of manpower is threatening aviation industry globally, but there's a local response to the challenge. This is in line with the Next Generation of Aviation Professionals initiative of International Civil Aviation Organization.
The challenge informed partnership between Nigerian College of Aviation Technology and Aero Maintenance Repair and Overhaul Facility to deepen human capital development to push international civil aviation organizations' ideals in Nigeria.
We are mindful of replacing our workforce, and the best thing to do is to go and partner with a known institution that can supply the manpower, and you make sure that they are trained, they have the basic training, and then they will now come to your maintenance facility, and then they will understand your own maintenance procedures, and on that job training, that is when they will gain the experience and they will pursue their career. Some of them will have interest in different fields, maybe power plant, maybe airframe.
It's not only the engineering school, we also have other schools whose students require OJT as part of their training, because there is a limit to what you can teach somebody in the classroom. There is a need for him to go out on the field to experience, real life way of doing things. That is why this OJT is an integral part of their training.
From aircraft maintenance, flying simulator, aeronautical to air traffic controls, the stage seems set for a turnaround of the aviation sector in Nigeria. The synergy between the two organizations is expected to ensure that qualified aviation professionals are available to operate, manage and maintain the future local and international air transport system.
They are moving towards the real-time maintenance of these electronic aircrafts that we have, like the NGs and the A220s, the Embraers and everything. So yes, the institution has grown, and they have shown that they will start producing this kind of students that will meet the challenge of the new maintenance that we're going to enter, or the capability that we're going to increase to the Embraer and the NGs and the rest of the aircraft.
If you can recall, during my brief speech, I mentioned my desire to see that our graduates are gainfully employed. So we do whatever we can to improve on these and get employment opportunities for them.
Heavy investment in the aviation sector will be wasted if there is lack of qualified hands to run the system. Experts therefore ask the community in Nigeria to take urgent steps to address the problems of insufficient training of personnel and curb exodus of skilled manpower to other countries. Lillian Azamak, TVC News, Lagos.